Hey, Paul, be ready. 1,000 rating coming, baby.
My name is Dave Tucker. This is my father, Dave Tucker. This year for 2016, our goal is really to try to play at least 10 PDGA sanctioned events. I typically play in either novice or recreational if they don't have a novice division. Dad actually played in a recreational division for the Christmas Classic at HB, and he beat everybody by a good 5-6 strokes. So what he's done is gone up to a higher division. You want to kind of talk a little bit about why you think intermediate's a better division for you to play in?
Well, because when you always need to have competition, people that are better than you for you to improve. So for me to improve my game, I need to be playing against the higher percentage rated players. And I like the challenge. You know, I'm a little bit on the older side, but if I could compete with the young guys, so be it. You know, it just betters my game.
No, I completely understand that. And you know, one of the things is, you know, Dad's got a practice basket, I got a practice basket. We take time to putt and throw up shots, get some field work in, work on our drives, and I think this is really the one thing that separates someone between just being the occasional golfer and someone who wants to improve. You know, somebody who wants to take steps towards improving in their golfing, it's all about the effort and consistency. If you're able to go out there often and practice, you're going to get exactly what you put into it, you know. So you know, Dad and I, this has also been such a great experience because we're able to spend a lot of time together. Dad's always been athletic, and I've really never had an athletic bone in my body, but I've always been incredibly competitive, you know. And so it was great once I found disc golf because it was something for me to be able to compete in. And you know, and as a novice, obviously I'm not beating too many people, but by putting in the work, I'm hoping to improve in that. And by the end of this year, I hope by next year we're able to double the amount of tournaments. We want to shoot for 20 for next year if possible. And I think by that time I have a goal of being able to move up to either the top of recreational division or hopefully getting into intermediate. So I think Dad's got the potential because he shoots about par or a couple under on pretty much any course he plays, even if he hasn't played it before. And on average, I shoot between 5 and 10 over on any course I've played. My goal is to get to where I'm shooting par consistently. I think Dad's goal is to try to give himself a little bit more opportunities to get closer to the basket so he can reach more birdies in his game, and that'll help both of us increase. So thanks for watching the channel. If you're new to disc golf, grab yourself a couple of discs, get out there in the field, throw them around, see how they fly for you, and then that can transfer into your game on the course. So keep playing disc golf. Have an amazing day. Peace.